Hello, and this is Boyle County second grade reading. Today is May 7th, and we are working with NTI Day number 34, and we are working on our learning target, which is RI 2.9, which is comparing and contrasting the most important points presented by two texts on the same topic. Okay, so we have been working on all week compare and contrast. You know that compare means the same thing as same, and contrast means something that's different. We use words such as same, similar, both, and, but when we contrast, we say the word but, different, difference. Okay, so those are great ways, keywords that let me know that something is either the same or something that's different. Now, our focus is going to continue being to ask ourselves yellow questions to help me identify what is the same and what is different. Also being able to use a Venn diagram, which lets me know something that is different from one another and something that is the same. Now, yellow questions, again, how are blank and blank similar? How are blank and blank different? Now, let me ask myself these questions after I read these next two passages. A friendly ocean animal. There are many animals in the ocean that people should stay away from. Dolphins are not an animal that people should fear. While they are wild animals, they are actually quite friendly around humans. Some dolphins like to be social with humans. Some dolphins swim along boats. Dolphins are playful animals that like to swim and jump in the water. There are even places around the world where people can swim with dolphins. Let's look at the next passage. A fierce ocean animal. Sharks are one type of animal to stay far away from in the ocean. Sharks are not necessarily malicious and mean towards humans. Humans could be mistaken by sharks as prey. Sharks are great hunters and eat other animals in the ocean. Sharks have bitten people before. This could be because the shark was confused. They may have thought the person was a seal and bitten them by accident. Okay, so I'm going to stop and ask myself these yellow questions. How are dolphins and sharks different? How are sharks and dolphins similar? Okay, something that I know that they said in the text is that they are both animals that necessarily are kind of like right here where it says sharks are not necessarily malicious and mean towards human. I know that it says that dolphins are not an animal that people should fear. So something along the lines that something that's similar is that they're not necessarily after humans. Dolphins are very friendly, where sharks don't necessarily want to attack or are not necessarily mean towards humans. They just mistake them for other things. Now, let me look. So we're going to compare and contrast using our Venn diagrams. Something that I found that was a detail in the text that's different is that dolphins are playful animals that like to swim and jump in the water. Okay, that was a detail found in the text. What is another detail that was the text that was in the fierce ocean animal? Well, sharks have bitten people before. That was a detail that I didn't read in the friendly ocean animal, so that's different. Now, something that I kind of touched on. Here's what they're both have in common. Both sharks and dolphins, notice how I said both, sharks and dolphins are not necessarily malicious and mean towards humans. That's something that they can both agree on. That's a detail that they both had. So that is it for the I do for today.